What's going on, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to fix Rave app Netflix issues. So you're gonna first check your internet connection, try and opening any browser, any website. If it opens, you have a stable connection. Second step, you're gonna restart your device. Make sure you restart your device to try to reload all the settings. Maybe that helps. You're gonna skip this one to the end because you're gonna contact the device manufacturer, and yeah, they take a while to respond, of course. So yeah, if restarting your device and ensuring stable internet connection did not solve the problem, you're gonna check server status. It's possible that you have issues with iTunes itself or Google Play, so check the server status if any known outages or issues, Yeah, so additional tips, you make sure that you have the paid subscription on Netflix and you are signed in to your account within the Rave app. If you're experiencing slow loading or buffering issues, try closing and reopening the Rave app or restarting your device. Yeah, so Rave app issues may be also with the app itself, so you're gonna contact them and tell them about the problems or bugs you're facing. Yeah, so you're gonna wait and make sure you have the latest version, and they will fix the problem if the problem was with the Rave app itself. And the last step, you're gonna follow the troubleshooting steps to contact your device manufacturer and Rave's customer support, and they will help you out. And that is it.